Hey there and good day guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to book an Airbnb using this booking.com. So the first thing you need to do is to go for your web browser and then search for booking.com to the search bar. And then here you'll be able to see that one. Here you just need to get over to the website of this one and then tap on that one. It should take you to the home page, which looks like this. So you'll be able to see here. And then before you start booking guys, make sure to have an account, which is you need to go on this side. So if you have an account already, you can log in, and if you don't have one, you just need to create an account and then register. So here guys, on this part, you'll be able to see here the different section, which is the stays, flights plus hotel, the car rentals, attractions, and then airport taxis. So what you need to do here is to tap on this section, this stays. So in the search bar guys, so you just need to enter the destination where you are planning to stay. So for example, to that is this one. Let's say we are booking a stay in Siargao, which is located in the Philippines. So you just need to type the city name, and then you just need to choose your check-in and then check-out dates. So here is an example of that. For example, to that is I'm gonna choose these dates, and then after that one is you can go here and then add some adults or children's. Here you can also decide if you want to travel with your pets. Then if you're done, you just need to tap on this blue button, this search button. And then now that we have some results, here you'll be able to see here, we will use the filters to narrow down the type of accommodation we're looking for. So if you're looking for something like an Airbnb style, apartment, home, or vacation rental, here's how to filter for those. As you can see here, scroll down to the property type, and this is where you can refine your search. So check options like apartments, so here, and then this will help you find stays that feels more like an Airbnb where you have the whole place to yourself. So here you will see here the different kinds of apartments in Siargao Islands. So you just need to scroll down, and then depending on your liking, you can start browsing through the results. So each property guys has its rating, price per night, and a quick description. So I recommend you guys to look for the guest ratings first. So for example, to that is I'm gonna choose this kind of Airbnb. Then you'll be headed to the next page, where is here you will be seeing here the more detailed photos. Just need to scroll down and see their photos, and then you can also see here the guest ratings or the reviews of this property. And then below this one guys is the breakdown of the amenities that available on this apartment. So be sure guys to scroll through the pictures to get a feel for the space and check the reviews to see what past guests have said about their stay. So here are the popular facilities of this Airbnb guys. And then scrolling through this page guys, is you'll be able to see here the important section. So one more important thing before you book guys is make sure to review the house rules, and then each property may have different policies about check-in times, or either pets are allowed, or if there's a quiet time rule. So here guys, you can see here the price for 4 nights, and you can also see here if they have their free cancellation policy. And here is the some kinds of rooms. And then if you're done, you just need to tap on this I reserve, and then you will be directed to the next page, which is after you click the reserve button, you'll be able to see here the enter your details, which is your information, guys. You just need to enter your personal information, fill in your full name, email address, and then the payment method. And if you have a booking.com account, it may autofill some of these fields to save some time. So for example, to this one is I'm gonna type my address here. So here on this part, guys, is the address of the customer is very important. So you just need to follow this one and then answer this under field. So then after that one is the postcode. Then here is the important part, guys, the mobile number of yours. And you can also see here, so you can check if you'd like a free paperless confirmation, and you can also check if you want to update your account to include to these new details. So they will also ask you who are you booking for, and then if you're traveling for work. So you can also see here that the booking is on the ground floor, and then if you want to add something on your stay, and then you can also request something, guys. You just need to write on this part, and then here is select your arrival time. You can select here, for example, to that is I'm gonna select this one, and then here you can also add extra beds, and then request must be confirmed by the property. And here, guys, as what I said a while ago, some of it they have a house rules, and you just need to follow on that. And then here is the next part, so which is this is the part where the payment method. So again, you just need to double check, guys, and then you will be directed to the next page, which is the payment method, guys. So on this page, guys, is you'll be able to see here when would you like to pay. You can either pay later, pay on January 8th, or you can also pay now, guys. So here you have three options, guys, so depending on you. So for example, to that is we are gonna pay now. So they will ask you how would you like to pay. You can pay through your card, your Google Play, or your PayPal. So in your card, guys, is you just need to fill in your card holder's name, your card number, and then your expiry date. So here you can also check this one, guys, so don't forget to check on this one. And you can double check your booking by tapping on this one. You can see here your booking, guys, for you to be reminded. And then if you're good to go, you just need to X on this one and then tap on this blue button, which is the complete booking, guys. And after that one is your booking will be booked, and that's how you book a Airbnb on booking.com. Thank you for watching, and please like this video.